Was there ever a time in your life when you weren't in this Zen state of mind?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I have to ask, right?
Yeah, I've always been into spirituality, but I also had a pretty normal life for a long time. I went to business school. I worked with business development. I had a regular office life. I managed big teams of developers. What brought me to focus even more in my spirituality was suffering. I wasn't happy with how my life was, and I wanted to heal my own suffering, my own rage, my own anxiety, my own inability to sleep well sometimes. I never actually thought that I was going to work as a spiritual guide. For a long time, this was only about my own healing. It just got to a point that for me to keep growing, it was about also supporting people in their own journey of healing their own suffering. Sometimes in spirituality, we talk about things like be ourselves and live our purpose and all these big things that are beautiful. But at the end of the day, many of us in our everyday lives, we are suffering, and all these huge vision seems so far away from what we are actually experiencing in life. Then it's okay. We start by taking care of ourselves and understanding where our suffering comes from and becoming more emotionally intelligent and learning to circulate the things that are stagnant in us and hurting us so we can create the space to breathe, the space to see clearly, to connect deeply with the ones we love, to understand what we want, what are our intentions. Because when we are so in a rush and always busy and worried in our minds, we forget sometimes what we actually want and care about. And what is the point of a life where we don't even know what we want and just live as life was nothing? And life is so sacred and so precious. We are here to live and to enjoy, and of course, have meaningful works and support our loved ones. But life is so much more than just a hustle, than just a rat wheel. And it all starts in our own minds. We can say that we live in a world that is busy, but we internalize the busyness ourselves and we are agents of our lives. We can choose to take a breath. We can choose to ask ourselves, why am I doing this? And if I don't have a good answer of why am I doing what I'm doing, then maybe I should stop doing it. It's creating more self connection and self reflection so we can live life on our terms and create space for ourselves to be, because when everything is cluttered, be it in our house, be it in our minds, we cannot see anymore our next step from our own hearts and what we want. So creating that spaciousness, a healthy heart is so spacious.